So good morning, welcome to my channel Common Sense Explode. Today I am going to explain you the next part of this chapter clock. So this is the right angles. So first of all my question is when the hour hand and the minutes hand will be making right angles, will be making 90-degree angle each other, right? So how to understand? So at 3 o'clock it is making 90-degree angle between them. This is 90 degree, right? So now my question is there any other position where we are getting the same 90-degree angle? Answer is yes. I am writing here hands of clocks right angles twice in every 1 hour. Okay, so that means in every 1 hour we will be getting two right angles. Okay? Twice means two times you will get the right angle. So this is the two right angles. Here is also you will be getting two right angles, but between 2 to 4 this region, this is an exception. Between 2 to 4 in these 2 hours you will be getting three right angles, right? Now between 4 to 5 you will be getting another two right angles. 5 to 6 another two, 6 to 7 another two, 7 to 8 another two. But between 8 to 10, please keep it in your mind, this is another exception. Between 8 to 10 you will be getting three right angles, and between 10 to 11 you will be getting another two, and 11 to 2 that is another two. So total how many right angles you will be getting in total 12 hours? 2 plus 2 4 plus 3 7 9 11 13 15 18 20 22. So that means 22 right angles you are getting in total 12 hours. So that means 22 right angles in 12 hours, right? So in total 24 hours means in whole day how many right angles will be getting? 44 times they are making 90 degree each other. Okay, and the next thing is that in each every right angle you can see the minute hand are and the hour hand are making 15 minutes gap, 15 minutes gap, 5 plus 5 plus 5. So at 3 o'clock you can see they are making 15-minute gap. So please keep it in your mind, this information is very important for numericals. So 90 degree space is equivalent to 15-minute space. This information is very important, just keep it in your mind. So let's have a look the first example. At what time between 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock hands of the clock will be right angles? So this is the first example. So between 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock, so starting time is 4 o'clock. So let's start. So at 4 o'clock, first of all 4 o'clock means you can see this is the arrangement of 4 o'clock. You know that this hour hand and the minute hand, how many minutes they are occupying? So how many minutes? 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, total 20 minutes they are occupying, right? Now this is the 20 minutes space you have to write in left hand side as well as in the right hand side. Why? Because we will be getting two right angles, right? So that now gain formula is nothing but this 20 minute space minus this 15. Okay, and here gain equals to this minute space 20 plus 15. Okay, so that means once you have to subtract and again you have to add to get the two results of right angles. As I told you, in every 1 hour there will be two right angles. So here is one right angle, here is another right angle you will get. So now gain you have got. Now required time formula, as you know, required time equals to gain multiplied with 12 by 11. Similarly here also same thing, required time equals to gain multiplied with 12 by 11, right? So now gain is, here it is how much? 20 minus 15 is 5, and this is 20 plus 15 is 35, right? So here 5 into 12 by 11, that is 60 by 11. This is none other than 5 whole 5 by 11. Okay, now here how much gain? Gain is 35. So 35 multiplied with 12 by 11, it is nothing but 420 by 11, right? And 42011 is nothing but 38 whole 2 by 11. Okay, so now I have got two timing, right? 20 minute space, 20 minute space, and we are getting two required time. Now so टाइमिंग इक्वल्स टू, ऑलरेडी 4 बज चुका था, सो एक होगा 4 बजकर 5 मिनट पर अप्रोक्सीमेटली, अनदर टाइमिंग होगा 4:38 पर 38 मिनट 2/11. Okay, so there are two timing where we can get right angles. I am going to show you in practically 4 o'clock, right? Now this 4 o'clock I am going to 4 5 4 5, you can see 4 5, this is 4 5. Okay, and you can able to see that two hands, our hand and the minute hands, are making 90-degree angle each other. Okay, according to the answer it is also coming 4 5. Okay, another is 438. Okay, let's move on to the 438. 438, this is 425, 430, this is 430. Now this is 435, 36, 37 and 38. Okay, so this is, that means this is 438, and you can see again the hour hand and the minute hands are making 90-degree angle. Okay, so that means in 1 hour we are getting two right angles. So this is how you have to solve. So here you can see the next example. At what time between 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock hands of the clock will be right angles? So starting time is 3 o'clock. So start with 3 o'clock. Just follow me, you can understand. So at 3 o'clock, okay, now you can see this is the arrangement of 3 o'clock. Our hand towards 3 and the minute hand towards 12. Okay, you know that. Now between our hands and minute hands, how much minute it is occupying, how much minutes? Okay, so this is 5 minute, 5 minute, 5 minute, total 15 minute space. So write down here 15 minute space in both side, left hand side as well as right hand side, because you will be getting two timing in each and every hour. There will be two right angles, that's why twice you have to write. Okay, now gain equals to this space minus 90-degree angle means 15 minute space. So this you have to write 15 minus 15. Here is also same thing, this space plus, once you have to subtract, again you have to add. Okay, so 15 minus 15 is 0 and 15 plus 15 is 30. Okay, now required time I am writing RT equals to gain multiplied with 12/11. Here also same thing, required time equals to gain multiplied with 12/11. So now gain is 0, 0 multiplied with something is 0 only. Okay, but here it will be 30 multiplied with 12/11, that will be 360/11. 32 8/11. Two required time I have got. So what are the timing where they will be making right angles? So at 3 बज चुका था, so at 3:03 पर होगा, and another one is 3:32 पर होगा, 3:32 पर होगा. ठीक है, so in these two situation we will be getting right angles. Now I am showing you practically. You can see this is the 3 o'clock, right? At 3 o'clock 90 degree. Now next I am going to show you at 3:32. So 3:32. Okay, let's move on to the 3:32. This is 3:30. Next 31 and 32. Okay, 3:32, and you can see both the hands, our hand and minute hands, are making 90-degree angle. As per the answer is also same thing is coming, 3:32. Okay, so this is how you have to solve. So here you can see the third example, right? So in third example the similar question, at what time between 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock hands of the clock will be right angles? So at 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock, so first you have to take at 2 o'clock. So at 2 o'clock, from 12 to 2, how many minutes? 5 plus 5, 10 minutes. Okay, so that means 10 minute space you have to write here, and similarly in the right side also 10 minute space. Okay, so now 10 minute space and 10 minute space I have written. So now gain equals to 10 the minute space minus this 15, as I told you. So 10 minus 15, you here also same thing, gain equals to 10 plus 15, because once you have to subtract, another you have to add. Okay, so 10 minus 15 is minus 5. Now whenever you are getting this negative gain, always you have to do subtraction from the 60. Okay, so please keep it in your mind, whenever you will get negative gain you have to subtract it from 60. Okay, so 60 minus 5 is 55. So that means minus 5 is similar to plus 55. Okay, so minus 5 is similar to plus 55, but here we are getting 25. It is no problem, there is no problem in the right side, so it is plus 55, it is plus 25. Now you can calculate the required time, RT. I am writing required time. It is nothing but gain multiplied with 12 by 11. Here is also same thing, gain multiplied with 12 by 11. Okay, now it is gain is 55 multiplied with 12 by 11. Now if you cancel it, 5 into 12, that is 60, right? And here it is, gain is 25 multiplied with 12 by 11, 300 by 11, 27, 3 by 11, right? So now what is the time? So there will be two timing. So 2 बज चुका था ऑलरेडी, सो 2:60, 2:60 एंड 2:27. 2:60 is nothing but 3 p.m. Okay, so one is 3 p.m, another is 2:27, 3 by 11. Now I am just going to show you at 2:27 whether it is making 90 degree or not. 2:27, this is 2:25, you can see 2:26, 2:27. Okay, and you can see here they are making 90 degree angle exactly. They are making 90 degree angle, right? That means our hand and the minute hand are making 90 degree angle at exactly 2:27, right? So there are two timing we are getting between 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock. One is 3 p.m. and there is 2:27. So this is how you have to solve. Thank you. That's all for today.